Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've brought a very delicious recipe for you and healthy as well. These are masala beans, and once you're going to eat it, you're absolutely going to love it. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken the white beans, and with that I'm going to soak them in the water. We will soak it for 3 to 4 hours, and once it will be doubled in size, we will be using it for making our delicious recipe. First of all, I have started boiling water into a pot, and I'm going to add the beans which we have soaked before. With the help of a spoon, we are going to mix it all, and once it's boiled well, we will take them out with the help of a strainer, and then we are going to place it into a separate bowl. But before that, we're going to add some of the oil, and we're going to fry these onions. I have taken medium sized onion, about one, and with that I'm taking fresh chilies, 3 to 4. You can take red and green, both chilies. It's really up to you, whatever the chilies you want. Once the onion has turned out to be brown in color, golden and brown, we will be adding ginger paste, and we will be mixing it with the help of a spoon so that it does not get burned and evenly changes its color. With that, I'm going to add 2 chopped tomatoes, and I am going to make a gravy out of it. Well, the next ingredient I'm going to add is salt. You can add salt according to your taste. With that, I'm going to add chili powder about half teaspoon and turmeric powder about half teaspoon as well. With that, coriander powder the same amount, and cumin seed the same amount, half teaspoon. With the help of a spoon, I'm going to mix all these ingredients so that this does not get stick to the pan. Now I'm going to add these mentioned masalas. You're going to add the same amount, and with that I'm adding half cup of water. After adding water, we are going to cover it with the help of a lid, and once the water is evaporated, we'll take it off, and we will be mixing this gravy, and with the help of a wooden spoon I am doing it. And after that, we will be adding the beans in it, and we're going to mix again so that all the ingredients are mixed well. While I'm mixing it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. With that, I'm adding half cup of water again, and we will cover it up. Once the water is evaporated, we will be adding garam masala, fresh coriander, and mix again. So the recipe is completely ready. You can just take it out into a presentable plate and serve it in front of your guests. And I hope you really like this recipe. If you really like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family so they can get access to my videos as well. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment in the comment section, and I would be rather happy to answer you on the first go. Till then, goodbye.